3 years ago, we invented SwitchBot because we believe non-smart things can be smart with simple setup. With a 3-second installation, we make your light switch smart. We make your coffee machine smart, even your cat feeder. SwitchBot makes the non-smart smart. Now it is time to make your curtain smart, and here is why. Let's say you're enjoying a good movie on a lazy weekend afternoon. Look at that annoying glare. And it's always you who have to get up and deal with it. You finally decide to invest a fortune on a motorized curtain, only to find out that the quick start guide isn't so quick after all. Then you notice the fine print that says a power socket is required. The king of retrofit is back again.